What do we have here? We have a Beaver Craft spoon carving kit. I won this through the Beaver Craft giveaway, and let's open it up and check this out. We got this nice box. Slide it open. Alright, we have a spoon blank. Nice piece of wood there. We have a leather strop. There's compound. We have these big Sloyd knife. Alright. I have a nice little detail knife. And this carving out spoon knife. Alrighty. So why don't we try and carve a spoon? Let me get all set up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's see. Okay, that's gonna be my spoon. Bring it in some. Actually, I want to kind of have this part round. It's pretty much a winging it type of thing. Okay, figure out what the design I want on here is. Something like that. Should I bring it back down this way? Or keep it straight? I don't know. Just gonna look at it. Alright, just gonna go ahead, start hollowing out this spoon, and then I'll figure out the design. I drew some stuff, but I don't know. We can see. So, let's try this out. Not to slice my finger. Be good to wear some gloves or some tape. Let me finish shaping this up some more. We'll be right back. Alright, so I've got the spoon part carved in. Alright, so I'm just taking the detail knife, cutting in some of the lines that I drew on here, kind of doing V cuts. Right, let me get the shape of the handle using the big Sloyd knife. Just keep on shaving it down, pushing it against the dust collector to get a good support. So just a lot of shaping. Back to the detail knife, rounding off the top of the handle. Back to shaping out the handle again, using this screw clamp. Trying to get the shape around the spoon. I'll work on the details. I'm going to draw in a S-shape type of design, and I'm going to cut all those in. Alright, this is the spoon so far. Just been trying to shape it. It's pretty close to how I like it. I'm gonna take some more of this handle down. Then try to do this design here. Here's the spoon so far. Just trying to make some kind of details on it. Alright, so I'm going to do some sanding and refine the lines a little bit more. Yep, just playing around with it. Not a professional, first time hand carving a spoon. No, the other spoon I made was power carved. So let's get this done. Alright, here it is. Sanding up to 400 grit. So I gotta just do a little bit more. And then I'm gonna get the wood burner and burn in these lines. And then I'm gonna put on some walrus oil. Great food safe oil and wood wax they have. So let's finish this wood carved spoon. My first hand carved with the Beaver Craft wood spoon kit. Finishing up the sanding at 400 grit. And I got the wood burner ready. Brush out those crevices. Let's try this out. Sign the pieces. Always sign your pieces. You see what I'm doing? I'm just wood burning the cut lines. So let me go ahead and finish the rest of this. We'll be back and put some oil on it. Alright, so now we got the walrus oil, cutting board oil, food grade, food safe. So if you want to pick one of these up, I got a link down in the description. I am an affiliate now with them, so whatever you purchase helps out me and the channel. Get a little bit kickback, so it's pretty cool. Love this stuff. So let's put some on here. Alrighty. Nice coat on here. What we have to do is wait 12 to 24 hours for it to dry. And then make sure we wipe away all the excess. Let this dry for a day and then we'll finish up this video. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to finish this off with some wood wax. Some walrus oil and wood wax for cutting boards. It's going to work good for the spoon. So just got to rub it on there. A little bit of wax goes a long way. So you leave this for 15 minutes, then you buff it off with a rag. So with the combination of the cutting board oil that I put on first, and then this wood wax, this should give it a good protection. Alright, so let's let that dry about 15 minutes and buff it out. Alright, here we have it. That's it to the spoon. I can use this for cereal and milk. We have some yogurt. Thanks for watching my first hand wood carved spoon. Don't forget to check out these videos, my other spoons that I made power carved. And until next time, catch you later.